Hey there, food lovers! Are you ready to embark on a sweet adventure? We created the most lavish red velvet brownies ever. Want to know how we did it? So let's jump right into our ingredient list and get baking. Get ready for a delicious adventure as we gather the ingredients for our mouth-watering red velvet brownies. Let's make this baking experience unforgettable. Having everything ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup unsalted butter melted, 2 cups granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon red food coloring, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup buttermilk, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure you have all these ingredients on hand before you start. Fresh ingredients will always yield the best results. Now that we have everything, let's move on to the preparation process. Get ready to create some magic in your kitchen. Let's take a moment to set the stage before we dive into mixing and baking. It's crucial to prepare everything just right for a delicious outcome. Let's get ready. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. This ensures that your brownies will bake evenly. Next, line a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with parchment paper or lightly grease it with butter. This will make removing the brownies a breeze. Now let's get our mixing bowls and spatulas ready. Melt the butter in a microwave-safe bowl or over a stovetop. Once melted, set it aside to cool slightly. Measure out your dry ingredients, flour, cocoa powder, and salt, in a separate bowl. Sift them together to remove any lumps and ensure a smooth batter. With everything prepped and ready, you can start mixing the batter. This is where the fun begins. Get ready to dive into the most thrilling part of our recipe, the batter. This is where the magic begins. In a large mixing bowl, combine the melted butter and granulated sugar. Mix well until the sugar is fully dissolved. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect brownie texture. Add in the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. The eggs will give your brownies structure and richness. Next, stir in the vanilla extract and red food coloring. The vibrant red hue is what makes these brownies stand out. Make sure the color is evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. Gradually fold in the flour, cocoa powder, and salt mixture. Be careful not to overmix. We want our brownies to be tender and moist. Finally, stir in the buttermilk, white vinegar, and baking soda. These ingredients will react together, giving your brownies a slight tang and a perfect rise. Your batter should be smooth, thick, and beautifully red. All right, it's time to elevate our culinary adventure. Let's dive into the exciting next step: baking our mouth-watering masterpiece to perfection. Get ready to experience the ultimate transformation. We're elevating the red velvet hue to perfection. Achieving that perfect red velvet hue is an art. It's not just about adding red food coloring, it's about balancing the ingredients to get that iconic deep red color. The right amount of red food coloring is key. Too little, and your batter will look pale and unappetizing. Too much, and it can affect the taste. Start with 1 tablespoon, but add more if you want a more vibrant color. Always add gradually and mix thoroughly to see the actual color. Remember, the batter should be a deep, rich red, not pink. The perfect red velvet hue is bold and striking, setting it apart from other desserts. The cocoa powder will darken the color slightly, so adjust accordingly. It also adds that subtle chocolate flavor that red velvet is known for. As you mix, check the consistency of the batter. It should be smooth and free of lumps, ensuring an even bake. It should be thick but pourable. The right consistency is crucial for the perfect texture. If it's too thick, add a splash of buttermilk to loosen it up. Buttermilk adjusts the consistency and adds a tangy flavor. Conversely, if it's too runny, a tablespoon of flour can help thicken it. The flour will help bind the ingredients together, giving your brownies structure. The goal is to achieve a smooth, even batter that's easy to spread in the pan. This ensures that your brownies bake evenly. Once you're satisfied with the color and consistency, pour the batter into your prepared baking pan. Make sure the pan is well greased or lined with parchment paper. Use a spatula to spread it evenly, ensuring it reaches all corners. This will help your brownies bake uniformly, giving you that perfect texture in every bite. Bake until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. This will ensure your brownies are perfectly baked and have a moist and tender crumb. Get ready because it's baking time. We've arrived at the magic hour. This is the thrilling moment when all your hard work and preparation unite to create something extraordinary. Let's make some delicious magic happen. With your batter ready and pan prepped, it's time to bake. This is where the magic truly begins. Place the pan in your oven and set the timer for 30 minutes. Make sure your oven is at the right temperature. Baking times can vary, so keep an eye on your brownies. Every oven is different, and you want to ensure they bake evenly. You want them to be set around the edges but slightly gooey in the center. This balance is key to achieving the perfect texture. This ensures a fudgy texture that's simply irresistible. The contrast between the chewy edges and the soft center is what makes brownies so delightful. While your brownies are baking, resist the urge to open the oven door frequently. It can be tempting, but patience is crucial. Each time you do, you let heat escape, affecting the baking process. Consistent temperature is essential for even baking. Instead, use the oven light to check on their progress. This way, you can monitor them without disrupting the baking environment. Around the 25-minute mark, you can test for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. This is a tried-and-true method. If it comes out with a few moist crumbs, your brownies are perfect. They will continue to set as they cool. Once done, remove the pan from the oven and let it cool on a wire rack. This cooling period is essential for the final texture. This step is crucial as it allows the brownies to set and makes cutting them easier. Rushing this step can result in a mess. Patience is key here. Let them cool completely before slicing. This ensures clean, even cuts and a better presentation. Trust us, the wait will be worth it. The reward is a batch of perfectly baked, delicious brownies that everyone will love. Get ready for a delightful adventure as we explore the luscious world of red velvet brownies. These decadent treats combine the rich, velvety essence of red velvet cake with the fudgy goodness of brownies, promising a taste experience like no other. Imagine the rich, chocolatey goodness of brownies combined with red velvet cake's smooth, velvety texture. It's a match made in dessert heaven. These red velvet brownies are not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a feast for your eyes. Whether you're a baking novice or a seasoned pro, this recipe is designed to be fun and straightforward. We'll walk you through every step, ensuring you achieve that perfect balance of flavor and texture. So grab your apron, preheat your oven, and let's get started on making the most lavish red velvet brownies ever. Embrace the spirit of collaboration. Remember, sharing is genuinely caring, so don't hesitate to flaunt your amazing creations. Let your talents shine and inspire others. Congratulations! You've made it to the fun part, enjoying your red velvet brownies. But before you dive in, why not share your beautiful creation with the world? Snap a few photos of your delicious brownies and post them on social media. Join the fun by tagging us so we can marvel at your incredible masterpieces. Don't forget to share your creativity in the comments below. We can't wait to see what you've created. Sharing your baking success not only spreads joy, but inspires others to try their hand at baking. Plus, who doesn't love seeing scrumptious photos of homemade treats? So go ahead, show off your baking skills, and let your friends and family marvel at your culinary prowess. And remember, baking is all about having fun and experimenting. Each batch of brownies is a chance to learn and improve, so don't be afraid to try new things and make the recipe your own. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed making these lavish red velvet brownies as much as we did. If you loved this recipe, there's plenty more where that came from. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell. This way, you'll never miss out on any of our delicious recipes and baking tips. We're always excited to bring you new and exciting content. From mouth-watering desserts to savory dishes, we cover it all. So stay tuned and keep your kitchen adventures going. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below and let us know how your brownies turned out. Thank you for joining us on this sweet journey. Your support means the world to us. Keep baking, keep sharing, and most importantly, keep having fun in the kitchen. Until next time, happy baking!